Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Home Automation and Weather Monitoring using Node MCU with Canyon software. So here we are using Node MCU with DHT11 temperature cum humidity sensor and 4 relay coil, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4, AC bulbs. So and one 5 volts power supply module. So here we are using ESP8266, 4 relay coil and one power supply module, DHT11 temperature cum humidity sensor and 4 AC bulbs. So here we are using one Canyon software. So app, there should be home automation. It should be connected to the my internet Wi-Fi. Okay, Canyon. So there should be a humidity, temperature and 4 on off switch buttons. So here I'm using Node MCU D0, D1, D2, D3. It is connected with the relay coil. D4 it is connected with the humidity sensor, temperature cum humidity sensor. So this is my software. So now I am attaching this software on the my description. Okay. Yeah, 4 bulbs, humidity sensor, 4 relay coil, Node MCU and 5 volts power supply. Now I am going to switch on the power supply. Okay, 4 bulbs is on. So now it's connected with. Okay, actually it should be off state. So now I'm going to increase. So I'm going to switch off. First bulb is off, second, third, fourth, one is on, second one is on. With this fraction of seconds you can on and off through Canyon site. Okay, my this app should be, this is drag and drop site. This you can operate anywhere in the world. So now I'm going to increase the temperature through doob stick. So here these are temperature sensor. So it is updating. '41. Okay, now I'm going to switch off 4. Fourth bulb is off, third, second, 1. And you can take the alerts also. If temperature goes around 50 and humidity goes to 80 or 90, you can give any beep sound, alarm sound also. You can extend the 4 bulbs. Instead of 8 bulbs, you can extend the bulbs also through with relay coil circuit. And there are another D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, na? D5, D6, D7, D8 is there. So you can extend another 4 relay coil and you can extend the 4 extra bulbs also. So now I'm going to increase the humidity. Humidity, it will update. So now it is updating. '95. First one on, second one on, third one on, fourth one on. First one off, second one off, third one off, fourth one off. Now I am updating code and circuit diagram, pin connection on my description. Please check the description link also. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.